April 28, nagkaroon na naman ng draw for PR. Express Entry Canadian Experience Class.
CEC ulit, yeah.
Yes. So, 2,000
yata.
again. I think every draw nila for CEC, 2,000 invitations
Depende rin,
yung
minsan
most of the
3,000,
time.
minsan 4,000.
Yeah, so 2,000 invitations were sent and yung lowest score was 514.
So medyo tumaas ito kaysa
ulit.
dati. 509
parang-
na dati.
Yeah. And then,
Nag-507 pa nga tapos
yes,
bumalik
tapos
siya
tumaas, naging 515, and then yesterday, 514. So, medyo tumaas na naman, mas competitive na naman yung mga nakukuha sa draw. Ayun. And then, the day before that, nung Monday, April 27, nagkaroon din ng draw ang PNP, Provincial Nominee. So, 473 invites were sent out and the minimum score was 795.
Doon pala makikita natin 2,000 versus 400, something less than 500. Mas marami pa din talaga yung ini-invite sa CEC.
Yes.
Express Entry pa rin talaga.